Hi, I'm Emma. I'll show you how to pick a Twitter giveaway winner quickly and safely using Circleboom, an official X partner. First, go to Circleboom, open the left-hand menu, click on Essential Toolbox, and then select Giveaway Picker. Then click on Create a New Smart Giveaway to start a new campaign. You can also view your previous giveaways on this page anytime. After that, paste your tweet URL into the input field. Just copy your tweet link from X and paste it here. Then click to continue. On the next screen, you'll see a preview of your tweet along with key stats like replies and reposts. Next, set your participation conditions. Choose who can enter your giveaway by selecting options like replied, reposted, liked, or followed. You can also fine-tune this by clicking on Match Type Settings for more precise control. Then apply filters to clean up your participant list. Click through profile filters to remove bots or inactive accounts, or set minimum follower counts, like only including users with over 5,000 followers. After that, click to start the giveaway draw. Circleboom will calculate eligible participants based on your conditions and filters. Once that's done, Circleboom will list all eligible X accounts. When you're ready, click the I'm ready to select winners button at the bottom right. Then this pop-up window will appear. Here, enter the number of winners and substitute winners, and click the Draw Winners button. After that, the results screen will be displayed automatically. From here, you can download the result image or click the Post on X button to share it instantly with your audience. Do not forget, Circleboom is an official X Enterprise developer partner, so your raffle is fully automated and runs on the official API, making it one of the safest and most transparent ways to pick a winner. That's it. Quick, clean, and done. Happy Circlebooming.